The Oyo State government has explained that the father of the student who was hit by a stray bullet while on his way to an examination center in the ongoing West African Senior School Certificate examination in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital, was driving against traffic when the incident happened. NaijaNews gathered that the tragic incident occurred on the Gbagi Market Road. The student was said to be in the car with his twin brother when the police bullet missed its target and hit him. The student was quickly taken to Welfare Hospital but was declared dead on arrival. In a statement on Tuesday, though the special advisor to Governor Seyi Makinde on media, Sulaiman Olariwaju, described the incident as sad, shocking and painful, stressing that the tragedy could have been avoided. The government stated that it was during an attempt to apprehend the traffic offender that the policeman shot at the tire of the car, which missed the target.
Good.
He also promised to ensure justice is served and reassured the public that steps would be taken to prevent such a tragedy from happening again. While this has gained traction online, with many individuals stepping into the case, share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more news updates as this story develops. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.